Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to embark on the exciting journey of creating your very own website and online store? In this detailed tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process. And the best part is that it won't cost you a dime in monthly fees. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, launch your internet browser and navigate to equid.com. This will direct you to a web hosting platform where you can establish a complimentary account. So before anything else, what is Equid? So Equid is a user-friendly e-commerce platform that lets individuals and businesses quickly create online stores. It offers customizable storefronts, secure payment processing, and multi-channel selling options, making it a popular choice for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Simply click on Start for free. At this point, you'll be presented with various sign-up choices, including email, Apple, Facebook, or Google. I'll opt for the Google option for its convenience. Just like that, you have successfully created your account. Here, at the initial store setup page, you are entering the crucial phase of registration required to build your website. This step entails providing essential information about your business or brand. As you move through this registration process, the emphasis is on simplicity and affordability. By sharing business details and carefully selecting cost-effective options, you'll be on your way to creating a website that won't burden you with monthly expenses. Now, let us make a smart choice by opting for the Create a Store. It's free. This particular plan has been meticulously designed with beginners in mind, ensuring a seamless and accessible entry into the world of online commerce. What makes it even more appealing is the fact that it comes at no cost on a monthly basis. This means you can dive into this endeavor without any financial commitment, making it an excellent choice, especially for those who are just starting out and may be cautious about initial expenses. It is a fantastic opportunity to explore and test the waters of online entrepreneurship without any financial constraints. Now that your account is all set up, let us proceed to establish your website and storefront. You will come across a checklist that provides estimated timeframes for each task. Simply click on Set up your website and storefront to get started. Now, let's take a look at the appearance of our website. The beauty of this platform lies in its adaptability. You have the power to customize it to reflect your unique style and brand. On the left-hand side, you'll find an array of tools at your disposal, each geared towards personalizing your website to your liking. Here, you also have the option to select a complementary domain name, one that resonates with the identity of your shop. However, if you already possess a custom domain, there's an avenue to integrate it seamlessly. It is worth noting, though, that custom domains may involve additional expenses, so it is a consideration to keep in mind. The aesthetics of your website play a significant role in attracting and engaging visitors. Luckily, this hosting platform provides a diverse range of free themes to choose from. Take your time to explore these options and pick a theme that resonates with the essence of your brand. Once you have made your selection, simply hover over it and click on Use this theme to apply it to your website. Now, let us dive into the process of making your website uniquely yours. Begin by personalizing your website's headline and cover, ensuring they are concise and perfectly tailored to your intended audience. Beyond this, there is a world of additional customization options waiting for you to explore, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your website's appearance and functionality. Congratulations on your achievement! You have just completed the setup of your very own website and online store, all without incurring any cost. Keep in mind that establishing your online presence is a gradual journey, and commencing with a free plan enables you to allocate your resources judiciously. Stay tuned for our upcoming video, where we will guide you through the process of adding products with Equid. To ensure you don't miss out on valuable updates, be sure to subscribe. I hope that this video has been informative and beneficial to you, and we are looking forward to seeing you in our next video.